This is 2.5 multiplying decimals. So to multiply decimals by whole numbers, we're going to multiply like normal. In our answer, we're going to count the number of decimal places and the product, so our answer will have the same number that the problem had. So if we're going to do 3.42 times 5, we're going to multiply like normal, and then we're going to count 1, 2, and then our answer has 1, 2, and you put your decimal point there. For this one, we're going to multiply like normal, add them all together, and I had 1, 2 from my problem, so my answer, I go over 2. And let's do one more. If I do 6.73 times 4, I get 2692, and 2 decimal spots, so I go over twice. To multiply decimals by decimals, we are going to add the number of decimal places together for each, and the product has the sum of the decimal places. So the product has the total number of decimal places from the problem. So 3.2 times 6.8, multiply like normal, and then in our answer, we're going to say we got 1 from here and 1 from here, so the answer has 2. For 10.113 times 8.24, multiply like normal, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When we multiply with decimals, we do not need to line up the decimal places. We just line them up on the right. Alright, now for this one, we have 2 times 15.763 minus 3.03. Following order of operations, like we always have to do, I do my subtraction first, and then that answer goes in the parentheses. Now I have 2.9 times 2.773. When we multiply, it does not matter which number goes first, so I put the longer number on top. Multiply like normal, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4. So I moved over 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal places. And now let's say gas is $3.95 per gallon. You fill up your tank with 12.5 gallons. How much do you spend on gas? So this is $3.95 for every 1 gallon, but I have 12.5 gallons. So I'm going to multiply the two together, and I had 2 decimal spots, 3 in total, so I moved over 1, 2, 3. Now I know that money only has 2 decimal places, not 3. So I have to round this to 2, round it to the hundredths place. So in this 5, if it is 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, we round it up. If it's 4, 3, 2, 1, or 0, it stays the same, and we round down. So since it's a 5, we need to round this up to 8, so it's $49.38.